Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Hey guys, I went to Dollar General on a Saturday. This deal worked out perfect as opposed to my other deal that I messed up. But I wanted to do this deal because I know a lot of you guys love Gain. And I just wanted to give you a quick Gain scenario that you can do today, even though you may not have a 5 off 25 gain or a 5 off 30 gain or 5 off 20 gain. But there is still a way to save on your Gain products, especially if you need them. I think this is an excellent deal. This deal came out to be just $11.85. Excellent, excellent deal for me. So let me go over what I did before. But before I do, let me show you guys, or let me ask you a favor. I need you to hit that subscription button, guys. Help me get up to my subscribers. My new goal for subscribers is 15,000 subscribers by July 1st. I know you guys can help me do that. So, okay, guys, sorry about that. My video got interrupted. But let's get back to it. So my goal is to get to 15,000 subscribers by July 1st. I know you guys can help me do it, so let's get it done. But let's jump right into to this deal. So the first thing I grabbed was the Gain detergent, and I can't show you guys the coupons because I forgot to screenshot them, so I apologize. You guys know every Saturday, if I go into Dollar General, I'm going to mess something up. So in your DG app, there should be a $4 digital coupon off of the Gain liquid, the larger sizes, the 154 fluid ounce. It doesn't matter what scent you get. It attaches to all of them. So they are $15.95 and clip the $4 digital coupon. But also don't forget to clip your 5 off 25 coupon because we're going to get our total up to 25 so that we can utilize that coupon also. The next thing I grabbed was the Gain Fabric Care Febreze, Gain Febreze Scented, Febreze Gain Scented Fabric Care. Sorry, guys. So that is $4. And the coupon that I use for this, this coupon is an old coupon. We've had it for a while, but it expires today. So you guys have to do this deal today. Also, the $4 off Gain coupon expires today too, I believe. Okay, yes, it does. And you know what, here, guys, I have it on my mom's account. So that $4 off Gain coupon does expire today. So you have to use that today. Today is Saturday, March 30th. Okay. Now, the coupon for the Gain Febreze fabric spray is $2.30. I have that coupon on here too. Okay. So here you see that coupon does expire today also. So that is $4, $2.30 coupon. That'll bring it down to $1.70. But you guys know we're going to use our 5 off 25. Okay. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Febreze Gain scented sprays. And guys, you don't have to get Gain scented fabric spray, and you don't have to get the Gain scented air freshener. I just chose to get that because this is going to be a Gain bundle that I'm going to sell to one of my customers. But you can get any scent because it's not like we have just a Gain coupon. The only Gain specific coupon is for the Gain liquid. So I grabbed 2 of the Gain scented Febreze sprays, and again, you can get any of the sprays, and they are $3.25 each, but we have this $3.30 coupon when you buy 2, and again, that expires today also. So if you're going to do the deal exactly the way I did it, you have to do it today only. Number 1, because the coupons expire today, and number 2, because we're using a 5 off 25. So here, let's review my receipt. So there you see, I got the Gain detergent for $5.95. The store discount of $3.53 came up. When you add up all the store discounts, it's going to add up to a total of $5 because we're using the 5 off 25. But there's my $4 digital manufacturer coupon that came off. There's the Febreze Gain fabric spray, which was $4. And you will see that my $2.30 digital coupon came off of that and the 50-cent store discount. There is the Febreze air sprays. Each of those were $3.25, and the $3.30 digital coupon came off of that because you had to buy two, and the 97-cent store discount. So my total ended up being $11.85. You guys know we're not going to discuss tax because tax is different in every city, state, and borough. Don't forget to upload your receipt to PNG Good Everyday Rewards because you're going to get 50 cents for each, or 50 points, excuse me, for each one of these PNG products. And then you can turn around and use those points to purchase gift cards. And those gift cards can be at like hundreds of stores. I usually do mine for Dunkin' Donuts and for Starbucks, but totally up to you. But just don't forget to go to pngrewards.everyday.com and upload your receipt so that you can get those points. So guys, this is my deal. Again, this is a Saturday today only deal because the coupons expire today, March 30th. Come back, let me know how you did the deal, and until the next time, keep on saving.